Hey, what's up guys? It's Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche here, and I've got one of several unboxing videos I gotta do, and the reason it's several is because I know this ain't all of our reels. I mean, probably a lot of them in here, or it could be all the T-Rexes. I don't know. I will find out, but let me clear some space because we've also got another unboxing video. Yep. Some rods have come in. How many? We'll find out, but let's see. Let me, all right, let's see what we got here. All right, guys, so I just realized that I wasn't recording, so I got into a few of the rods, or the reels. It's a long day. It's been a real long day, but I'm trying to go as quickly as I can through all the work we got, because I'm out back melting down a 2,400 pound, a 4,200 pound block of lead, and a 4,200 pound block of lead. Yeah, there you go. But we got some more Avet stickers in. Got a nice little catalog right there. Got that. And then we've got AMSR Raptor Black right there. I don't know about y'all, but that sounds nice. And that's a cool looking color too, so. Yes, sir. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. That's one thing about Avets. They've got some beautiful color schemes. Oh, hey guys, look at that. Look at that. We got a camo green in house. Yes, sir. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's see what we've got here. Ooh, a red MXL. Oh, got a pink LX. Pink LX. Got a pink LX. Yep. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Uh-oh, we got an MXL in pink too. Look at that. Look at that right there. Oh yeah, that's some prettiness right there. How you doing, boss?
Good, you?
Doing all right? Is there anything I can help you with?
Just need a couple things, so just set this up.
Oh, okay. Well, if you need any help, feel free to ask. So. You got a gold MXL right here. Very lovely. Now, got a red MXL. Oh no, SX. Sorry. Got a red SX. Cool. So now we got a small and a medium. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let's see what we got here. Got a green Essex. Nice. Yes, sir. Very, very. Yeah, y'all know. Y'all already know. See what we got. Ooh, that's a gunmetal SX Raptor right there. That is pretty. Yep. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? You don't need a calculator. You got to figure all that out by yourself. You ain't gonna be cheating. That's why you're having to do all that work right now. Ooh, I got an SX in black. I'm already running out of space here. Running out of space. Yes. So, let me get another chair real quick. Oh, dang, still heavy. Still heavy. So, let's do this. Oh, we got another SX in pink. Another SX in pink. Very nice. Oh, not another. I've got an MXL, LX, and SX. So I got all three sizes in-house. Very nice. Yes, sir. Alright, got here, got an SX in gold, so we got an MXL there, so let me figure that a little bit. Alright. Still got plenty more reels. That is a pretty blue right there. SX in blue. SX Raptor in blue. Nice. Nice. What do we got? What do we got? We got an LX in the green camo. Beautiful. Yep. Beautiful. Nice. So, reconfigure this real quick. Got a black LX. So we got the SX, MXL, and LX in black. For the guys that like the trifecta, to have all three of them. Are you ready, boss?
No, not yet. I'm still looking.
Okay. Oh man, this box is big. Big. Ooh, got an LX in gold. So again, third one. Oh yeah, and actually I've been using. Yeah. I use them too for my YouTube videos.
Really?
So yeah. You don't know about my YouTube channel?
No.
It's called Team Hard Life. We actually teach knowledge and tactics and I mean everything from knot tying 101 all the way to the big rig shark fishing, offshore fishing. So, yeah. Oh wow, look at that. We got the thin blue or thin red line right there, which is pretty cool. They're $159.99. And then they also have an insurance policy you can buy on their website and they'll replace it if you lose it.
Really?
Yeah, so while you're fishing it gets cut off. And that I've already put to the test too because I lost 2 of them. But when I first bought into them, they were $259 a piece. So. Alright guys, well that was the first box and I know I need a lot more gear, but that is definitely pretty awesome, them colors right there. That is awesome. So this was obviously the box of the small reels. We are missing the HXWs, the 30s, the 50 and the 80s and the 130s that are coming in. So stay tuned guys, we got a lot more unboxing to do. Next one will be them right there. Yeah, you only get a partial view.